What are these macronutrients and micronutrients? Nutrients can divide into two categories. They are macronutrients and micronutrients. So, what are these macronutrients? When you try to lose weight or gain weight, you may have heard about calculating macros. Your body needs these nutrients in larger amounts. Macronutrients provide the energy and calories that the human body requires. There are mainly three types of macronutrients. They are carbohydrates, protein and fats. The recommended amounts of these different macronutrients are usually referred to as macronutrient split. USDA recommended amounts of macronutrients are given as follows. Carbohydrates, 45 to 65%, protein, 10 to 35%, fat, 20 to 35%. When we consider micronutrients, the body needs micronutrients in small quantities. But micronutrients are essential. Without micronutrients, many body functions won't be functioning properly. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. Furthermore, vitamins are divided into two categories. They are water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. They are categorized based on the solubility of the vitamin in water. Minerals also can be divided into two types as trace minerals and macrominerals. Leave your comments about macros and micros and give us your feedback. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For get more knowledge about foods and human nutrition, subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us.